Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create this excellent thumbnail for your YouTube videos in your Canva. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create this thumbnail on the Canva, I'm just going to show. So first of all, I just added a new page here. Then just go to the element section first and just click on the search option and just type as geometry circle shape. You can find this graphics, so just click on this shape here and just place it here, and click on this circle here and just place it here. Then just place on the corner and click on this to duplicate it again and just make it as a half, and just again and make it as a half like this. Then just swipe down, you can find this shape, so just click on this shape and just place it here and just duplicate it again and again and make a group of geometries like this. It's your own creation. You can just duplicate it again and make a geometry look which actually quite making the side to be filled like this. Okay, then after creating the geometry shapes here, you can just insert your PNG. So just going to the upload option, I just already inserted my PNG here, so I just need to keep this PNG here. So I just going to have a flip option here to flip this like this. Then I just going to resize this image and just keep this here like this. Then we just need to add the text, so I just going to add this text here on the center. Then just need to go to the shapes option and just pick this shape and rounded square. Just click on this and you can just see the color. It's actually a red color, so you can just use your own color. Just make it as like a vertical and just place here, just place to the half of the text, so and just make it position to be backward, so it will be look like this. It's actually different, and you can just change the color of this, like this black color or the different colors like this, and you can see how it's look like. Then you have the same thumbnail here. If you just need a different coloration here, just go to the design option and click on the shade option. Just swipe down and you just can see the color pattern. So just click this, it automatically changes the color of this like this. So actually it's wonderful. Try this and you can just create this thumbnail. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.